Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hello mare pare. Kamusta? Today I am going to make a video vlog for the AC service of your car. So today I am available here. I am in Mustafa, Abu Dhabi for one of the nice workshop. I heard his name about they are very good in the American and German cars services. So today I am here for testing for the AC service, how they're gonna do the service for the my car, which is Mustang 4.0 2009 model. So this is the company, which is Leading Edge Auto Repair LLC. As you can see their setup, we will go inside and I will show you how the workshop from inside. Inside the garage, so you can see the setup. They has mostly Americans and German cars. Some are other cars as well, like Corolla or some other cars. This is their setup. I heard about they are very professional, very nice maintenance for the cars. As you can see, this is Honda, and then another car is Chevrolet, and the Nissan Sunny. Now this is my car, so they're gonna test the car for the AC. Later we will take their small interview, review, and everything we will ask about the cars and the features. Good morning, Mr. Jasser.
Good morning.
I am Kuya Rao from my channel Kuya Rao's Adventure. Today I came to your workshop because I heard about your workshop is very good for the Germans and American car. So today I am going to do the service for my car for AC only as a testing for my new viewers, so they can see and they can be assured that how you're qualified for the Americans and German cars. So what is the procedure for my car you gonna do for service for the AC? How you will start? First of all, you have to tell us about your company, when you started, what is your company name, and what is your plan ahead for future.
Okay, I will tell you. Okay, our company name is Leading Edge Auto Repair.
Okay.
Especially BMW specialized workshop, you can see here. Okay.
Uh-huh.
We have main things, we have pickup and delivery service.
All right.
Okay. If you have any issues with your car, if you need service, anything, okay, just call me. I will come to your home or office. Then I will take the car.
Uh-huh.
Then I will bring here and service everything properly. Every report will be sent to your email or WhatsApp. Then after finish the service, I will bring to your home. These
Oh.
are the main things of our workshop.
Very good.
Okay. And you asked me about the AC system.
Yes.
This your Mustang. Huh?
Yes.
Mustang being you told me AC not cooling.
Yes.
Okay. Our procedure first we will check with the computer.
Ah,
Why?
okay.
We need to check the electrical things, any issues first. Okay, first we will connect the computer. There is no any fault for the electrical.
Okay.
We will go to mechanical test. Okay.
All right.
Then we will connect the machine. We have automatic machine
Uh-huh.
for the AC. This Texa.
Okay.
Okay. This using mainly because we are dealing German car or American car.
All right.
Must need to use the machine because every car was saying different kind of gas quantity.
Ah, okay.
Okay, for example, the BMW
Right.
7 series.
Right.
Some car coming 750 gram gas. Some car is coming 1000 gram gas.
Okay.
We need to add the amount with machine. We will give everything.
Okay.
Then after automatically machine fill the gas. Okay, this is the procedure. Otherwise your compressor will be damaged
Okay.
and a lot of things is there. Okay.
Right.
If you fill more gas, it will be cause of the broken the pipe or suddenly damage the condenser
Right.
and compressor. So we are doing your professional work.
Okay.
Everything will be professional.
Very nice.
Okay.
So depends on the car. You are checking in the computer how much gas required for the each car, and accordingly you can put.
Okay, if you come here, AC not cooling. Okay, there is no any fault. We will check the computer. There is no any fault. Next procedure, we will check the gas level.
Okay.
Okay, and the compression power also, pressure and suction.
All right.
We will check. We will have machine. We can check from there.
Okay.
Okay, I will show you after. Okay.
Okay.
Then after we will remove the gas to the machine. We can get the quantity.
Okay.
Then I will check. For example, your gas quantity is 700 gram.
Right.
Okay, I will remove the gas to the machine. Then I will check maybe the 400 gram. That means your system is leaking.
Okay.
So I have another machine for the pressure test. We
Okay.
will make pressure inside the AC line.
Uh-huh.
Then we will wait. We have an identifier, AC gas identifier.
Right.
There is one UV gas we will fill to the inside the line.
Okay.
Then we have a machine.
Okay.
It will be identify anywhere the leak.
Okay.
Then we will repair the leak. Then after we will fill the gas again.
That's great.
Okay.
So you have a computer, same like the normal people are using computer desktop or laptop, or you have some
No,
kind of special
So
computer?
this one for the Japan car,
Uh-huh.
like Toyota, Nissan, like
Okay.
that we were doing with this machine.
Okay.
And another things we have BMW specialized.
Okay.
Actually, this is BMW specialized workshop.
All right.
So we have original software for the BMW,
Okay.
Audi, Benz. It's
Okay.
another laptop.
All
We
right.
have programming, diagnosing, and electrical. Everything we will do from the computer.
So,
Every
wow.
procedure we are following like showroom.
All right. All right. So now tell us about your workshop. Since when you start this workshop, where it's located in UAE? Please tell to my viewers so they can definitely. I strongly recommend after the service how I can feel the AC is cooling enough or it's less as per my expectation. So I want the other people can come and visit your workshop to do the servicing for their car for all German, Americans and non-American and general cars. Please tell us about your company.
Okay, this is actually is coming from Abu Dhabi, Mustafa.
Okay.
Industrial area 10.
All right.
Okay, Mustafa M10 inside, near the Emirates Transporting Company.
Okay.
Okay, and this actually is 2 years finished now.
Oh, mashallah.
Okay, and especially I told we are doing BMW because I worked before in showroom.
Okay.
Okay, more than 5 years.
All right.
So BMW bumper to bumper all we will do here. This is specialized BMW.
Okay.
Okay, then also we are doing, we have German technology technician is there.
Right.
Audi, before they are working Audi
Uh-huh.
and Mercedes, like that technician I have.
Okay.
So we are fully set up for the German car.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, Mr. Jasser, you have any message for your? I believe so. You didn't tell me about your nationality. Where you from?
I'm from India, Kerala.
India, Kerala. Okay, so maybe I have more viewers from Kerala as well on this channel. So, do you have any message for them in your own language to call them for service, and what options you're gonna give for compared to other workshop? Like you can give some kind of special discount because of this channel. I am going to promote you as well. Plus, I am strongly recommending because I heard your company name is very, very huge and very nice service, very professional people you have here. So please, I would like to request you to speak in your own language in Kerala. Remove your mask so people can see your face, so they can recognize you once they will be here. So maybe they can come and they can do their car service.
Okay, if I will say Malayalam.
Yes, please, whatever you.
ഓക്കെ ഇത് നമ്മൾ മുസ്തഫയിലാണ് വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ് ഉള്ളത് അബുദാബിയിൽ. ഓക്കെ, ഞങ്ങൾ മെയിനായിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് BMW സർവീസാണ്. BMW ബേസ്ഡ് ഉള്ള വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പാണത്. കൂടെ തന്നെ ജർമ്മൻ കാറുകളെല്ലാം, അതായത് ഓഡി, ബെൻസ് എല്ലാം നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, എല്ലാം പ്രൊഫഷണലായിട്ടാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഞങ്ങൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന മെഷീനെല്ലാം പ്രൊഫഷണലാണ്. കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ, അതേപോലെ AC മെഷീന് ആൻഡ് ലിഫ്റ്റ് എല്ലാം പ്രൊഫഷണലായിട്ടാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. പിന്നെ മെയിനായിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ എടുത്ത് പറയുന്നത് ഞങ്ങളിതിൽ പിന്നെ 24 hours ബ്രേക്ക് ഡൗൺ സർവീസ് ഉണ്ട്. പിന്നെ അതേപോലെ പിക്കപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഡ്രോപ്പ് സർവീസ് ഉണ്ട്. അതായത് നമ്മൾ വണ്ടി വീട്ടിൽ വന്നിട്ട് വണ്ടി എടുത്ത് കൊണ്ടുപോയിട്ട് സർവീസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വീട്ടിൽ തിരിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുവരും. അതേ ഓഫീസിലാണെങ്കിലും വീട്ടിലാണെങ്കിലും.
Alright.
ओके मैं हिंदी में भी बताएगा तो अच्छा है.
Yes, yes, sure. आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते
मुस्तफ़ा में अबू धाबी मुस्तफ़ा में है. ओके नाम है लीडिंग एज ऑटो रिपेयर है. स्पेशली बेस्ड BMW बेस्ड वर्कशॉप है. ओके इसलिए जर्मन कार हम लोग पूरे करते हैं. मेरे साथ जर्मन कार करने वाला टेक्नीशियन है, बेंस का एक्सपीरियंस वाला है, ओडी का एक्सपीरियंस वाला है. मैं BMW भी डील करता है. ओके सो मेरे को बोल सकता है ये जर्मन कार वर्कशॉप है. ओके मेरा मेन एम मेरा प्लस पॉइंट इस हम लोग पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप सर्विस करता है. आपका घर में गाड़ी है तो आपको बुला सकता है. मेरे को बुलाएगा तो मैं उधर आएगा, गाड़ी लेगा, फिर सर्विस करके बाद में आपको घर में लेके आएगा. और ऑफिस में भी.
तो इसके कोई चार्जेस हैं या पिक एंड ड्रॉप के ये और ये
डिपेंडिंग द सर्विस. छोटा एक सर्विस के लिए तो थोड़ा चार्ज करेगा.
अच्छा.
मैक्सिमम 50 दे रहा हूँ. नहीं तो ज़्यादा बड़ा काम है तो हम लोग फ्री में करते हैं.
और ये आप कोरोना वायरस की वजह से जो कोविड-19 की वजह से सिचुएशन है कि पिक एंड ड्रॉप दे रहे हैं या नॉर्मली आपका सिंस बिगिनिंग आपने जब से स्टार्ट किया है वर्कशॉप तब से आप शुरू से
ये मेरा कस्टमर को मालूम पड़ेगा. अब मेरा वीडियो मेरा कस्टमर देखे तो बिल्कुल
श्योर
रिप्लाई करेगा आपको.
Inshallah. I can show you Mr. Jasir's card. If you have your card, can you show us your card to the viewers can see?
Yeah,
So it's a Leading Edge Auto Repair LLC BMW Specialized multi-branded workshop. So as you can see, pick and drop service available and their mobile number, contact details are there. For further contact, you can contact on this number. Mr. Jasir can entertain your all request. So Mr. Jasir, can we proceed to the car and we can see what you're gonna do and what magic my AC can affect.
We can go together.
So let's go.
If I will get a new customer, I'm not taking the old gas to the machine because this machine inside uneven American original gas. I don't know which gas you used before. So I am draining out the gas. Then after I will fill the gas automatically. Okay? This one I am removing the gas outside.
Okay.
Because I don't know which gas they are using.
Okay. So what is the machine? Which machine you gonna
This
test?
one.
What is this machine? This one. Okay.
I will show you after how to fill the gas.
Okay.
After filling this way.
So this is the way for vacuuming the existing gas.
So this.
Mr. Jasir, I notice these cable like this and this all cables you put here. These all cables, yeah.
okay.
And the battery you plug this one. What happened? Why you put this one? Could you please explain?
This one normally. Why if our procedure, if I will diagnose the car or ignition will be switched on,
Okay.
your battery will be
Drain.
Drain. Okay.
Okay.
This is cause of damaging the battery. So when I will get one car, when I will ignition switch on, when I will keep the ignition switch on,
All right.
I will attach one stabilizer.
Okay.
Okay, this one will be balancing your battery charge.
All right.
Okay, this is safety for the battery.
Okay.
So this AC procedure, some AC, some car,
Mm-hmm.
mono evaporator,
Right.
dual evaporator. That time we will fill the gas, and then we need to switch on the ignition. Okay. This 20 minutes, half an hour, we will keep switch on. Your battery will be damaged.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we
Correct.
are connecting stabilizer.
So I must say you are very professional people, really. I never seen this kind of guys. If you can see this,
can see there.
this jumper mostly we are using for like if car is breakdown, it's not starting, your battery is
There is
weak.
a stabilizer
So we are
is
putting
there.
this one. You can see this one they connected,
That
and
is the stabilizer.
this is a stabilizer. They are saying.
14 voltage we will give continuously.
So 14 volts they are continuously giving to the car. So the battery, if they will put the ignition on, so the battery will not drain.
Okay.
So it's
now
really
we are
very
going
nice.
to fill the gas. Okay.
Sorry?
Now we are going to fill the gas.
Okay.
We will start the procedure.
All right.
Okay, I will show you.
Okay, please.
Okay, come. Show the display. Okay. Enter. Okay. AC
Okay.
maintenance.
All right.
Okay. Vehicle selection.
Okay.
Because some car there is sticker already.
Okay.
How many gram gas need to. What is the quantity of the gas?
Okay.
Some car is mentioned.
Okay.
This car not mention anything.
Okay.
So we will search here.
Okay.
We have option.
Oh,
Every
wow.
car, okay.
So it's connected with the internet?
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Not internet already set the here.
Built-in
already
memories are
all
there.
company,
Okay.
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 I will check there is okay. Car, okay. This
Okay.
car category. Okay, Ford. Ford, okay. We will select the Ford.
Okay.
Ford all car is showing here. This one Mazda, huh?
Mustang, yes, 2009 model. 4-cylinder, 4.0 liter and V6, 6-cylinder. It's, I think, Mustang Coupe, Coupe, something like that.
Honeywell gas, already we fill the machine, inside the machine. Okay, this is the gas we are using. Honeywell, this is USA. Okay, made in USA. We fill already inside the machine. Okay, now charging procedure is running. Okay, this automatically will be produced vacuum and automatically it will be refilled the gas. Okay,
Okay.
we need to wait until 20 minutes. We can see that. Okay.
So we can see after this
This
20
process,
minutes.
everything they will now vacuum system is running. Then
Okay.
after will be injection,
Okay.
then refrigerant filling. Then
Okay.
procedure will be finished. We can check the gauge pressure here.
So how much total minutes?
Maximum 20 minutes.
20 minutes, huh? Vacuuming and injecting as well.
Vacuuming it was taking time.
20 minutes for vacuuming. Oh, okay.
Okay, then after everything will be within 1 minute it will be finished. Filling only few seconds only.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
All right. So guys, we will join you back after 20 minutes. We can show you what is the condition of this. Now it's vacuuming, as you can see. The light is indicating. Later on it will be injection, the orange one, then refrigerator in the red color. See the refrigerator light is on, mean the gas is refilling now. You can see with the gauges. So what is this quantity is showing here? 9.
Gram, we put
Ah, it's a
600
grams.
so it will be filled until 600 grams.
Okay.
Automatically.
Alright. So my AC work is finished. Just now I switched on the AC. The temperature we're gonna check through the grill. The temperature in the gauge is showing now near to 50. So I'm gonna put the gauge here and we'll observe for a couple of seconds. It will reduce. If it is touched to 0, it's mean the cooling is very nice. So overall, my review for the cooling for AC service, very professional, very nice, and I am very satisfied. But meanwhile, I will drive and maybe I can enjoy this cooling by today. If I will feel little less cooling, maybe I can approach them, but as per them 100% you will not face any problem, because if temperature goes to 0 at the gauge, it's mean, as you can see before it was 50, now it's decreasing, it's going down. So yes, it's touched almost 0. So the cooling is very nice. So let's finish the vlog for today. I'm gonna remove this gauge. Alright, and then we can say bye bye to Mr. Jasser. As you can see, car is fully ready. So
Okay.
Mr. Jasir, thank you very much for your service today. I really happy for today's service. Hopefully I will not face any trouble in future related for this AC service. So I will definitely recommend the other people to come in your workshop to maintain their cars permanently. You have any message for my viewers related my channel? You can
I
or
have message,
related or
you see everything.
or related to
I'm discussing
my-
about everything technically
Okay.
to the customer. So
Okay.
you can believe me everything.
okay.
Hello guys, if you like today videos, okay, please like and subscribe the channel. Kuya.
Kuya Rao subscribe. Kuya Rao's adventure.
Cut करो मुश्किल है.
Kuya Rao's adventure.
Please subscribe Kuya Rao Adventure. Okay. This channel, please subscribe. Okay.
All right. Thank you. So thank you guys for watching the video today. It's too much hot today. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, so please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Till next video, take care, Ingat, and Allah Hafiz.